Good day, guys. It's your boy again. So this time around, I want to be dropping like educational content in about forex trading, right? So like today, I'll start by showing you guys on how to predict the markets with forex factory. It's not easy, guys, but you using this concept is for educational purpose. Don't go and try it till you backtest it, right? So in the video, I'll teach you how to read the news properly. You add it to your technical analysis before you take entry. So let's move straight to this screen, guys. So before we go there, click the share button, like, and comment in the comment section. Let's go, guys. So guys, this is Forex Factory, right? Forexfactory.com. You can search for it in your web browser. So this is forexfactory.com, and now I'll be explaining to you on how to read this upcoming news that is coming on Thursday this week, Thursday, March 2022. This week, 2025, sorry. That is on 22 of this month, right? So you click on this file here. So let's read the information behind the news. They said actual less than forecast is good for the currency. So right now, if you can see in the data, what they bring out here is this is the previous, this is the forecast, right? And this the actual, right? So let's use the previous example to analyze the market. So if you can see in this previous they said actual less than forecast is good for the currency. So right now, if you can see, the previous is 22,223, right? 223k, and the forecast is 224. Right now, what you see in this actual is now bigger than the forecast. So what we'll be expecting in this USD pair, like USD is going to go down and other pair is moving up. So the same thing for gold. If you, let me say, you are trading gold, you are a gold trader. So what you will be expecting on Thursday during this period is for gold to do what? Buy. So now we just want to do the one we have on board, the result they call out here. They said the previous